The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3, which was originally released back in August of 2021, remains a truly standout and impressive choice in the competitive foldable smartphone market even today. It continues to offer a unique experience for users looking for something different. With its unique design and reliable performance, it attracts users who want a device that's both stylish and practical. Let's take a quick look at its standout features and physical design. The Galaxy Z Flip 3 comes with a compact 1.9-inch Super AMOLED display, offering a resolution of 260 by 512 pixels, which lets you quickly check notifications and controls without having to unfold the phone. It has a 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X main display with a resolution of 2640 by 1080 pixels, which is Full HD+. It features full support for a refresh rate of a maximum of 120 Hz, delivering incredibly smooth scrolling and exceptionally vibrant colors. The Galaxy Z Flip 3 boasts a sleek design with Gorilla Glass Victus on both the front and back, paired with an aluminum frame. Weighing in at about 183 grams, it feels solid yet light in your hand. The device comes in several eye-catching colors: phantom black, cream, green, and lavender. When folded, the Galaxy Z Flip 3 is extremely portable and easy to carry around. This incredibly sleek and compact design is absolutely ideal and convenient for users who want a device that slides effortlessly and comfortably into their pocket or various types of smaller carrying bags. The Galaxy Z Flip 3 is powered by the Snapdragon 888 chipset, delivering top-tier performance for smooth multitasking, gaming, and running demanding apps. This ensures the device can handle modern tasks with ease. With a 3,300 mAh battery, the Galaxy Z Flip 3 provides decent battery life that can last a full day with moderate use. This device provides full support for fast charging at speeds of up to 15 watts when using a standard wired cable connection. Additionally, it offers convenient wireless charging at up to 10 watts, and it even features reverse wireless charging for your other gadgets at up to 4.5 watts. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 stands out as an innovative foldable smartphone that blends style and functionality. Its stunningly vibrant display, sleek and highly compact foldable design, and remarkably sturdy build quality make the Galaxy Z Flip 3 an absolutely fantastic and compelling option for you to consider.